Creating an infinite craft typically refers to a crafting project that can be repeated or expanded upon indefinitely. So, often with minimal resources. So the concept revolves around the idea of making something that can be used or added to continuously, whether it's a resource generating item or an art project that evolves over time. One example is creating a simple weaving or embroidery pattern that can be extended endlessly as long as you have thread or fabric. To start an infinite craft, choose a base material or technique that allows for repetition or expansion. For example, crochet or knitting can be perfect for this, as you can keep adding stitches to your project without worrying about running out of space or material. In a similar way, creating paper crafts like chains, garlands, or modular origami pieces can be combined to form larger and more intricate designs as your collection grows. Another approach to infinite craft is resource generation, such as crafting machines or systems within games like Minecraft that create items on an ongoing basis, allowing for constant crafting opportunities without needing to gather new resources each time. No matter the project, the key to an infinite craft is flexibility and creativity, allowing your work and your work to continuously evolve and expand. Let me know if this helped.